this whole thing started in 2008 as just a group of guys, what they call the OG13, that just ran this for bragging rights and a case of beer, and which is pretty common amongst the camaraderie out here of just wheelers, right? So yeah, I've been racing since then. Since then, both of my boys have raced, and Jordan's really the one carrying the torch into the 4400 class now in the car we call the Lamborghini. So it's an awesome car, four-wheel independent suspension, four-wheel drive, unlimited class, over 800 horsepower. The thing is unbelievable. I wish I got to race a car like that. And on top of it, he's on portals, so he has 4.5 inches more ground clearance than all the other competitors out here. So he's really got an advantage. He's just got to take care of the car. This is a really tough race, and every year they've made it tougher. They're adding miles. They see that the cars are getting more capable, like Jordan's, and they just keep making it tougher. This year, they added 4 brand new trails that are really tough, and we pre-ran them all. Jordan's got the confidence to know that he can get through them, and one of them is right here called King's Veto, and in last year we went down it. This year they're sending them up it, and it is a brutal canyon.
My name is Jordan Pellegrino, driver of the number 98 GenRight Thompson 4400 class Ultra 4 car. We're here at King of the Hammers 2023. It's been a really fun week so far, and we're about ready to go race tomorrow. Yeah, this year's course is pretty gnarly, honestly. The desert lap is really torn up. They're running us on the exact same loop like a couple years past that the trophy trucks run. You know, so this desert loop's been being raced on all week. The desert's beat, the rocks are hammered. Even out pre-running, you know, we were honestly out winching and getting stuck. You know, like it was real stuff this year. Where compared to years past, you know, we honestly have not that hard of a time pre-running, and then, you know, it gets torn up by the time the race comes around. But it was already torn up pretty bad by when we were pre-running, so it's going to make for an interesting race. Not to mention, on lap 3, they threw like 4 or 5 new trails in, brand new, total uncut trails. You know, they're literally just having us drive through rock canyons that are just loose rock and loose dirt. So traction's not great. It's going to be really hard on cars. It's going to be hard on equipment. And I think you're going to see a lot of cars broken in those spots this year for sure. What's up, guys? Today is race day, Saturday morning, for the Race of Kings out here at King of the Hammers. We got the car behind us. Everything's looking good. Cole said it fired right up this morning, so I think we're ready for the day. Wish us luck, and feel free to watch it online live at kingofthehammers.com/live.
You guys are looking good. Keep at it, boys.
Training cooler. It's puking everywhere. Oh. Oh. Hey guys, we're up on the top of Fisher. The tranny cooler just blew up. We lost tranny.
You know, that's why we come here. We'll get what we need. We're gonna wait.
I guess
for,
3 foot could get coiled. And,
Yeah,
you
dude,
know,
we're
we
just
don't
trying to
have
make
like
a jumper.
Yeah.
So,
But we need one for the diff too.
we're gonna need one for the diff. So that's why we need 2. So we might make 4 male mills. We're gonna.
Okay, so Jordan's out mid-course. He's on lap 2. He's only got 1 more lap to go. Coming across the top of Fisher. It's really rough, and you know, obviously, he's 150 miles into this race, so the car's been beat down pretty good. Tranny cooler popped a hole somehow. This is an extra heavy-duty hit cooler, so I'm kind of surprised that it did. Once they do that, they can cook the transmission, so they stopped. They're trying to repair it now. We've got backup parts here at Maine, so we're going to run them out to pit 2 and try and get the guys. They have to hike down to get the parts. So we're making the best of the situation.
Copy. Aaron, you copy. There's no electrical box at Maine.
Do you know what pin connectors, how many pins it is? Is it 2 pins?
It's a 2 pin.
Okay, there's lots of 2 pins in this.
Yeah,
No 3.
I know. I just did it before
Okay.
we left.
Okay.
Tony, I'm sending 1 case of ATF with you. We have 1 here left. That is it.
Fisher Mountain's a long ass way. Try fucking running it.
It is.
With the mail, I think we can bypass it.
Yeah, they're labeled, trans and whatever.
Is it pressurizing and you can see where it's coming out of, that we're going to be able to bypass it with the mail fitting?
Well, I can't turn it on right now because I got all the fittings off. I mean, it's definitely coming out of the cooler though.
Okay. I'm coming back with a bunch of fluid. I'm coming out with some cleaner and 2 AN fittings. So is that going to be enough?
That should be enough.
We're going to do the repair here. We're going to jerry rig it just to get it back.
No, that was the plan.
Okay. All right. All right.
So
There's also 2 clean rags in there. Sure.
Hey, good.
Good luck.
Hey, buddy. Good luck. It's fine. What am I? Am I muy fluff? Too big? It's fine.
That one's broken. It's fine. Just leave it.
We need a tool runner. Who could be a tool runner?
Walking through a tapping night.
well, there's a little box on the front differential that came loose, so Jordan's down there trying to tighten that.
Yeah.
The guys are putting in a replacement cooler for the transmission.
That's a.
So you can see they're all over it. All they got to do is just get this buttoned up and get the car back out on the course so Jordan can do his 3rd lap.
Can't lose these 2 adapters.
Okay. This one. This one.
pretty was cars broken everywhere. Car ripped the trailing arm off and out of limits right in front of us. We yanked him back, we got around him. Waterfall was all, or very top was all plugged up. We winched literally straight up this, like, not even anything. Got through it. The batteries died on legit. Car caught on fire. I love how you just slip that in there. Oh, the car caught on fire. It's like it was Tuesday. The car's on fire. Just a normal day here at the Hammers. Well, Jordan, I just want to tell you, congratulations for making it back to town. You are, I believe you're top 30, and you might be 29th, 30th spot right now. So you're back in town, you made the cutoff. Most important part, get out of your car, celebrate a little bit. Great to have you back here on stage, Jordan. Congratulations.
I literally can't think of anything else that like could have possibly happened. Car caught on fire, batteries died, engine overheated, car wouldn't start, fucking locker wasn't working. I didn't like, dude.
Yeah, he's out.
Oh my god, man. Holy shit.